This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the theme package itself. Open your theme folder with FTP or File Manager and look for Style. CSS at the theme root, not inside another subfolder. Once found, inspect the top of file header. Theme name, version, author must be present so WordPress recognizes it. Make sure file permissions are 644 and ownership matches WordPress user. Otherwise, the system may not read the file. If the Stylesheet is missing, do not activate the theme yet. Gather the original zip or developer files. Once you have the original or fresh theme zip, extract it locally and compare structure to WordPress expectations. If this is a custom theme and style, CSS was accidentally deleted, recreate a minimal Stylesheet with the required header fields so WordPress can parse it. Then upload the intact theme folder to wp-content/themes/your theme using FTP, keeping the exact folder structure. Make sure the CSS file is at the top level of that theme folder. After upload, clear any server cache so WordPress detects the change. Now activate the restored theme from Appearance right arrow Themes in the WordPress admin. You should see the theme details and the site's front-end render. Once done, inspect using browser dev tools to confirm the Stylesheet is loading and not returning 404. If the Stylesheet still fails, make sure file paths and permissions are correct, then enable WP debug to surface errors. If issues persist, check the server error log for path or permission failures. Addressing those will resolve the missing style CSS problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.